The Greenhouse Gas Reduction Fund was established to combat climate change. It was envisioned as a cornerstone in the fight against global warming, aiming to significantly cut down emissions. It was part of the Biden administration's ambitious climate agenda, which sought to lead the world in environmental responsibility and innovation. The fund aimed to provide $20 billion for projects across the country, supporting initiatives from renewable energy to sustainable agriculture. These projects focused on reducing greenhouse gas emissions, promoting clean energy, and fostering innovation in green technologies. The goal was to transition to a cleaner, more sustainable future, ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. However, the fund soon faced unexpected hurdles. Bureaucratic red tape and logistical challenges began to slow down the progress. The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, raised concerns about the management and oversight of the funds. They alleged fraud, waste, and abuse within the grant program, pointing to several irregularities in the allocation process. EPA Administrator Lee Zeldin took swift action, launching an investigation to address these serious allegations. He froze $14 billion of the fund's assets, halting many projects and causing widespread concern among environmental advocates. Zeldin expressed deep concern over the alleged mishandling of funds, emphasizing the gravity of the situation. He highlighted the importance of transparency and accountability in government spending. He vowed to ensure their return to the United States Treasury, stressing that every dollar must be accounted for and used appropriately. The EPA, under his leadership, initiated an investigation, aiming to uncover any discrepancies and hold those responsible accountable. They also collaborated with the FBI and the Justice Department, forming a task force to delve deeper into the allegations. Their aim was to uncover the extent of the purported fraud, leaving no stone unturned in their quest for the truth. Zeldin pointed to instances of self-dealing and wasteful spending, which he claimed were rampant within the organization. He cited media reports and a controversial video that had surfaced, bringing the issue to the forefront of public attention. The video allegedly showed an EPA staff member discussing the Biden administration's spending practices, raising further questions about the integrity of the fund's management. This fueled the EPA's claims and cast a shadow over the fund's operations, prompting calls for immediate action and reform. The EPA's actions sent shockwaves through the nonprofit sector. 3 organizations, Climate United, Coalition for Green Capital, and Power Forward Communities, faced immediate consequences. These organizations had been awarded grants from the fund. They were in the midst of implementing vital climate projects. The EPA's decision threw their plans into disarray. Staff layoffs became a looming threat. Crucial climate projects faced potential cancellation. The future of these initiatives, once brimming with promise, now hung precariously in the balance. The EPA's actions faced immediate legal challenges. The agency's recent decision to revoke grants from several environmental groups sparked controversy and led to a swift response from the legal community. 3 nonprofit organizations, dedicated to environmental protection, filed a lawsuit against the agency. They claimed that the EPA's actions were not only unjust, but also lacked proper justification. They argued that the EPA had overstepped its authority by attempting to reclaim funds without clear evidence of wrongdoing. The legal teams presented a strong case, emphasizing the importance of transparency and accountability. The case landed in the courtroom of United States District Judge Tanya S. Chutkan, known for her meticulous approach to legal matters. Her courtroom became the battleground for this high-stakes legal confrontation. Judge Chutkan issued a temporary restraining order against the EPA, halting their efforts to withdraw the grants. This ruling was a critical moment in the ongoing legal battle. She ruled that the agency had not provided sufficient evidence of fraud or misuse of funds by the nonprofits. Her decision was based on a thorough examination of the presented documents. Judge Chutkan criticized the EPA's reliance on vague and unsubstantiated assertions, highlighting the need for concrete evidence in such serious matters. Her remarks underscored the importance of due process. This decision marked a significant setback for the EPA's attempts to claw back the grant money. The ruling not only protected the nonprofits but also sent a clear message about the limits of the agency's power.